Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis. There's a big breaking news coming from Chinese media related to the ongoing India-China border standoff at LAC. Indian and Chinese troops are engaged in a 9-month-long standoff and they have now undergone 9 Corps Commander level meeting to ease off the ongoing conflict. The Chinese troops have set up their dominance along the northern border of Pangong TSO. And in order to counter the Chinese aggression, Indian troops have set up their dominance along the south bank. Now, the Chinese state-owned mouthpiece has published an article and tweeted about the beginning of disengagement process between Indian and Chinese troops. As per the Global Times, Wu Qian, a spokesperson in China's Ministry of National Defense, announced last Wednesday that frontline troops of the Chinese and Indian armies stationed at southern and northern banks of Pangong TSO began simultaneous scheduled disengagement on Wednesday, in accordance to the consensus reached during the 9th round of Corps Commander level meeting. As per Qian Fei, the director of the research department at National Strategy Institute at Tsinghua University, last 3 Corps Commander level meeting was more fruitful, where both sides struck more and more consensus and the atmosphere became more constructive. But the bigger question is the news of disengagement being implemented on the ground as reported by Chinese media. Last year as well, we had a similar news of disengagement which did not proceed as planned. While Chinese media is claiming the beginning of disengagement process, there are evidences of China speeding up civilian and military infrastructure in Tibet and surrounding areas. China has almost doubled the deployment in terms of total number of air bases, air defenses positions and helicopters near LAC since 2017. The latest open source satellite images revealed the improved connectivity between the key cities and the military hubs in Tibet. China has deployed its latest 5th generation J-20 fighters in Hotan air bases to counter India. Meanwhile, there has been no formal confirmation from Indian side on the disengagement process. However, sources suggest there might be some positive movement in this direction. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.